In this video, we're going to talk about task authorizations. Task authorizations is used to keep track and control of what IDs can view or create or even delete certain menus. So this is under user customizations, user setup, and register user. For masters, the task authorization is not applied, so masters can go to any menus. By selecting on the username, going to the authorization tab, you are met with default authorization and task authorization. This basically means that you can choose from either no task or all task authorization. The first is that you have no access to any menu at all. On the other hand, the default all task authorization lets you view all menus all at once. So what you want to do is select either no task or all task and set up an exception through task authorization. As you can see, by heading on over to inventory 1, all the menus have no access. So if you want to give access to sales, for instance, you have to give an individual authorization like this. You can also set up an exception in action. By clicking on setup, you can either give authorization so that one can enter new slips, modify, delete, or adjust settings. So I'm going to say that this ID cannot delete. And as for the exception menu, if you want to separately apply, you can choose the menus here. So if you don't want people to view the sales status menu, then this ID can no longer view the sales menu, sales status menu. So if you select the sales status as no authorization, this person can access the sales menu but not sales status. Make sure to apply and save. Save once more and let's find out. So when we go to sales, in sales list, we can see and make new sales. Now let us save. And now let us delete it. Now we can see that since we have not authorized the delete function, this ID cannot delete this slip. And by accessing other menus, you can see that this person cannot have access and no longer view. Furthermore, by clicking on the sales status, since we have made an exception, this ID cannot look at sales status as well.